Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn what to do if you forgot your AOL Mail password. So if you forgot your AOL Mail password, and then come up to the sign in page and then enter your username. After entering your username, you have to enter your password, but you had forgotten your password, so tap on forgot password. After tapping on forgot password, it will send you a 6-digit code on your mobile number. Just enter that code. So after entering the 6-digit code, tap on verify, and after tapping on verify, it will ask you to create a new password. So after creating a new password, tap on continue, and then you have created your new password successfully. So this is what you have to do if you forgot your AOL account password. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.